Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Houlton, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers based in Houlton, Maine provides top-notch local moving services to our valued customers. Our team of professional movers will make sure that your move to this town is well carried out and you don't have to worry about anything. We are also known for handling all sorts of moves, so we can do this easily. One of the most valuable benefits of choosing 3 Movers is our on-site moving estimates. You don't have to wait days to know how much your local move would cost. At 3 Movers, we can visit your home, do an inspection, and let you know how much the move would cost on the spot. This is great for customers to know how much to save and not be blindsided by the price of their move. At 3 Movers, we cater to short-distance moves and long-distance moving options within Houlton. We're experts, so we know how to handle our customers' movements and what to do about them. At 3 Movers, we've had years of experience carrying out long, short-distance moves to know how well to handle it. And we also know and have the expertise to ensure that the job is performed perfectly and nothing goes wrong. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Houlton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.